Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Check Gameloop version and the virtual Android kernel because compatibility matters for Google sign-in. Next, clear the emulator's cache and app data for Play Store and Google services. This removes corrupt tokens. Once done, restart the emulator so those changes apply. Make sure Google Play Services is enabled and updated inside the virtual device because outdated services block OAuth flows. If you see permission prompts, grant them, otherwise sign-in will fail even with correct credentials. Now tackle the trickier parts. Reinstall or update Google Play Services by sideloading a matching APK if the built-in updater stalls, because mismatched binaries prevent authentication. Then remove your Google account from the virtual device, reboot Gameloop, and add the account again to refresh OAuth tokens. Also verify your PC's firewall or antivirus isn't blocking emulator ports. Allow emulator network traffic and DNS so Google's auth servers are reachable. These steps force a clean auth exchange and usually resolve token, network, or binary conflicts. Finish by attempting sign-in and watch for success. If it still fails, enable ADB logs and inspect errors for 4xx/5xx codes or permission rejections, because logs reveal the root cause. If errors persist, try a different Google account to rule out account-specific holds or security flags. As a final measure, back up your Gameloop settings and perform a clean reinstall of the emulator so you start with factory defaults. One troubleshooting tip: if login shows a security challenge, complete it on a browser first, then retry in Gameloop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.